wash day simplify. Let me show you what I've been up to the last few weeks. When a product is lathering up, it's not meant to be a shampoo, but it's acting as if it is a shampoo. You know, I'm going to make it. I'm going to milk it. I'm using Cantu shea butter deep treatment mask today. Before we start, guys, can we just, take a minute to appreciate the softness and sheen on my own hair this minute? Can we just do that? This is natural daylight in my bathroom. There's no ring light going on here. What has gotten my hair looking how you're seeing it is what I'm about to show you guys today. Welcome to another video, guys. I hope you're all doing okay. Now, Schwarzkopf have done it again. They have totally done it again. If you guys have got a product that is absolutely dominating your wash day, you have to let me know what product it is, because this product is rocking my hair routine like no man business. I'm loving it. Absolutely loving this hair product. So I kickstart off my routine of how I'll be doing this on a dry hair. I'm doing my deep treatment on dry hair. Apply it in session like I usually do, and just concentrate or focus the product on my length as well as the nape area. That is where wig intend to lay when I'm wearing wig. So I wrap that up with a cling film and just walk around the house. I don't even know how long I kept this on. Definitely over 2 hours because I was busy. The whole point of this wash day, simplifying wash day that I've discovered the last 3 weeks is as my life is getting more and more hectic, I need to be able to adapt to that. And this product is giving me that. It's giving me the opportunity to do that. So I walk around the house for a number of hours. I did not mean to leave the conditioner on my hair for that long. It just happened. Now, once I rinse that off, I went and add this Schwarzkopf 7 seconds express into a spray bottle. This is how I've now been using it. It just makes more sense. I'm losing less product. Just overall, in and out, brilliant. I'm only doing this in the shower again due to the fact that I have to show you guys the bathroom is very hot, doesn't accommodate, doesn't do very well with ring light and the wash and basin, what have you. So each time I'm doing a wash, anything to do with wash, that's why you will tend to be seeing me in the shower. So I work this in on my scalp really good. I'm focusing it on my scalp. Don't forget my hair have just been deep conditioned. So walk it in, I'm gonna treat it as if it's a shampoo. Let's see what's gonna happen. The last 2 wash, I've seen a really good result in using this in place of a shampoo, and it has worked out well. Oh, look what I found. In shower scalp massager that I never remember that I have or remember to use it. What a village girl. So I walk my scalp really good as if I'm actually shampooing my hair. This product have a ladder. You come up with a ladder, don't it? The more I walk it in, it just bring out this foam, almost like shampoo like, but obviously it's soft to the hair. Immediately hit the hair, as the more I walk it in, the softer my hair become. So I'm using that foamy thingy that is bringing out. I'm milking that, taking advantage of the foam effect that is given to really walk it in, pretend it's a shampoo. Let's see if when I finish, not needing to wash, use another shampoo or anything else, if my scalp will be clean. Because if it is, Bob is your uncle. It was. It has been. I have proven it. Today's video is just about now me showing you guys what I have been doing the last 3 weeks. Crazy as it sounds, I walk that in, brush it through, comb it through just so I can tell myself, oh, I could detangle my hair in shower. Because there was nothing to detangle. And rinse it out. And straight on, my hair is soft. Warning, you are going to be seeing a lot of scalp, revealing scalp, parting hair in numerous, places, and just showing you guys my scalp, because the whole point of this video today is shampoo. It is Shampoo Be Gone. I'm using this Schwarzkopf product to replace shampoo altogether. So far you can see my scalp is clean. My hair feel extremely soft, like what this product have been claiming to be able to give the hair is giving my hair. But now just to add to that, it also cleans my scalp and make my scalp feels like I've used a shampoo when I haven't, but without the, you know, that strictly feeling that shampoo is normally leave after use. I'm not having that. This is a win-win. So I went on, rinse that off. I'm gonna apply my leave-in conditioner, which is that cream of Cantu shea butter leave-in conditioner. Then I set that in with Kerastase Ultime oil. So those are the two products I'm gonna use, or that you will be seeing me applying after I rinse this out. So I'm just gonna pack my hair for another time. Like I did give you guys warning, there will be a lot of scalp revealing going on. Just to convince myself and you guys that this thing did clean my scalp, like clean, nice clean. Are you guys for real? So yeah, I applied that leave-in in and seal it in with that Kerastase Ultime oil. Comb that through. I am going to be air drying my hair. I have no plan on blow drying my hair today at all. I am using this product in place of a shampoo, but that means comes every 4 to 6 weeks. I'm gonna have to do a really deep clarifying shampoo, or use just a soft face shampoo to make sure my hair is fully rid of, you know, product buildup and what have you. So that I cannot skip now, because let's face it, Schwarzkopf is not exactly the most natural product I've ever used, is it? So yeah, definitely I will be needing to do a clarifying shampoo every 4 to 6 weeks. So now I just need to put this hair in a bun and call it a day. So this is why I'm calling this Wash Day Simplified, because it truly is. So yeah, instead of going to the shower or to wash my hair overall twice, shampoo, then apply conditioner, then go under the woody dryer, then come back in, then wash it off, it's just one process now. I don't have to hop in and out, in and out, in and out. So yes, that just left one question. Have you got a product that is absolutely rocking your wash day? Leave me a comment in the comment section. I would like to hear it. All right, until the next video, guys, I will love you and leave you, and see you later. That's all I can say. Just gonna stick this in this bun. I did moisturize off camera, moisturized and sealed off camera, and this concludes my wash day, guys. Thank you all so much for sticking by me. I hope you're doing okay. Yes, have a nice day. Ciao, ciao.